Question number 18. Three identical springs, each with the same spring constant, okay, together in four arrangements are shown. Which arrangement has the largest combined spring constant? You would have read in your theory that if I connect two springs in series, then the effective spring constant can be written as 1 by k effective is equal to 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2. What is this? This is very similar to that of your series and parallel resistances. In series, whatever you have for resistance, that appears for parallel here, and whatever appears for parallel here appears for series here. Okay, so therefore here it is in series, you will use the parallel formula here. Now if the two springs are in parallel like this, if they are in parallel like this, with spring constants k1 and k2, then the effective spring constant is k1 plus k2. Okay, now with this logic, let us solve all of them. So this is k, this is k, this is k. What will happen here? This will be k by 2 over here, because two springs are in parallel to each other. This will be k by 2, and this is k over here. So this will be k by 2 plus k, which will be equal to 3k by 2. Now let us look at this. All the three springs are in parallel. So what will be this? This will be k1 plus k2 plus k3, because parallel means you are going to add up all of them. So 3k. Now what about here? Two springs are in parallel, which means what? Here it will be 2k and here it will be k over here. So these two are in series now, right? So when they are in series, then what can happen? See, these two I can model it like this. I can model like this, remove this bar. Now this will be like this over here. So this will be 2k, this will be k. So therefore this will be 1 by 2k plus 1 by k. 1 by k is equal to 1 by k effective, which will now be equal to 1 by k into 1 plus 1 by 2, which will be 3 divided by 2k, or k effective will be equal to 2k divided by 3. This should be the effective spring constant for this one. Now what about this? Three springs are in series. Then this will be k by 3 over here. Now what is he asking? Which is the largest combined spring constant? This is the largest spring constant. Okay, so 3k. So this is the right answer. B is the right answer.